What is going on, everyone? Leon checking in, and we're at it again with another video. In today's video, we'll be unboxing and reviewing the NPET LED and RGB fold-in desk lamp. Now, this video is featured on the Futuristic gear playlist, so you can find information related to this topic quickly and easily. And as always, we only feature products or services I buy, use, or am interested in. On that note, this product was sent to us for this unboxing and review. Now, you can find this item and related items at the Amazon storefront link in the description below. All things said, let's go ahead and get into it. So here we are with the unboxing. Now, contents are simple and include the fold-in lamp, adapter, and product information. So let's talk about the lamp, which features a compact design due to its fold-in lampshade with built-in LED. It also features NPET branding. Now, although there is an eye for unfolding the lampshade, unfolding is actually done easier by lifting up on the lampshade itself until it reaches an end stop. Underneath the lampshade, we have the light body, and this is the portion of the lamp that will light up with RGB colors. And underneath the light body, we have the base, which features foam padding to prevent sliding and scratching of the underside of the lamp and whatever surfaces it's placed on. The base also features the power input and control panel for controlling the lighting in the lampshade and light body. Now, overall, this isn't a heavy lamp assembly. In fact, if you bump into it, it might tip over fairly easily. Overall, this hardware has an attractive appearance. You could say that it's minimal, it's sterile, and it looks very modern. Once the lamp is connected to power, it can be powered on, and controls are going to be simple here. Now, tapping on the 3 round circle icon will illuminate the light body, and pressing and holding will cycle through the colors. We can then turn off the light body by tapping on that same icon as well. And we can also turn on the lampshade by tapping on the power icon. Now, you can see this lamp is going to get really bright, and we can actually dim it by pressing and holding on that power icon. So that's slowly going to dim it until it gets to its minimum, and then it stops. Now, if we want to brighten again, we're going to let go of the power button, and then we're going to press and hold it again. And just like with the light body, we can turn off the lampshade by tapping on the power button. And finally, we have one more feature of this lamp, which is mentioned in the instructions, but it's difficult to understand. And that is, we can put the light body into an RGB color cycle, which is somewhat of a breathe-in mode. And to do this, we're going to press and hold on the power button and the icon with the 3 circles at the same time. And then we should be able to let go, and you can see it's going to cycle through the colors here. It's just really relaxing and peaceful. As for operation, everything worked as expected. The only thing I noticed was that the lampshade does get warm to the touch, but this is probably normal. Now, there is one more feature I wanted to point out about this lamp, and I'm not sure if it actually counts as a feature, but I found it useful. So we're going to turn off the light body, and of course we have that lampshade on still. But the cool thing is we can actually fold the lampshade down, and it's going to rest against the light body, but it just kind of makes it a little more dim. It serves as a night light. I thought that was pretty cool as well. So that is it for today's video. If you enjoyed it and found it useful, please leave a like. If you're watching on YouTube and have any questions or comments, as always, drop those down below and I'll do my best to answer them. Now, there are 3 ways you can support the channel. The first way is to click on the Amazon storefront link in the description below. There you'll find items that I have bought or would buy, and anything you buy from the storefront does support the content. The next way to show your support is just by sharing this video with someone who might enjoy it or find it useful. And the last way to show your support is just by clicking the subscribe button. Now, liking and subscribing are important because those are ways to vote on whether you like the content. Liking and subscribing are also important for new viewers and listeners. If new viewers and listeners see likes and subscribers, they're going to think that the content is helpful, worth watching, and listening to. As always, thanks for watching, and may the universe flow in your favor. And until next time, Leon checking out.
Yeah.